winds are howling through the town, kicking dust and leaves around. By the shore those statues stand, gazing out to sea, hand in hand. Newbiggin's waves crash on the shore, the echoes of the past, but we crave more. The salty breeze, it fills the air, and happy days, they linger there. Oh, Newbiggin, where the sea meets sky, under the clouds as the gulls fly high. A windy day, but we're here to stay, with hearts wide open, come what may. Fishing boats, they rock and sway, working hard through the break of day. The town, it whispers tales of old, of lives lived strong, of hearts so bold. Children's laughter on the beach, dreams and futures within their reach. Statues watch steadfast and true, guardians of the sea's deep blue.